Alright, hello you guys. So today I'm going to be going over the pictures I took with the manual settings. So to start off, we're going to see the ISO as 100. It's very dark. I decided to take these photos in a normal setting. I didn't go outside. I just stayed in my bedroom and took pictures of my desk that I sit at every single day. But this is the picture with the ISO at 100. And then this is the picture with ISO at 200, and we can see that it got brighter. You can see things a little bit more, but not great still. And then this is the ISO 400. And it got brighter, but it's still not where I would necessarily want it to be. So now we're going to move on to the shutter speed settings. And the aperture at this is set on 16, and this is the one over 100. It's super dark, really can't see anything except for this little reflection that I have right here, which is on my whiteboard that I have in my room. And then this picture is 1 over 400 shutter speed. It's very dark, really cannot see anything at all. And then this last one for the shutter speed is 1 over 1000, and it's completely black. I cannot see a single thing. Now we're going to move on to the aperture settings. This one is an aperture of 4. You can see some things on the desk, but not anything super clearly. And then this next photo is the aperture with 8. It got darker. It's harder to see anything. Once again, you can see a little bit of reflection on the whiteboard. You can see a little bit of reflection on certain things on my desk. And then this one is the aperture 16, and it got relatively darker. So I messed around with the settings, and I got to an ISO of 100, a shutter speed of 1 over 4, and an aperture of 4.5, which is as low as my camera could go. And this is what I ended up with. Clearly, it's not super great lighting. I definitely could have chose better lighting, but you can see essentially everything on my desk. You can see the desk itself and all the things that I have on my desk and the whiteboard on the wall. Yes, the whiteboard is crooked. I hung it up crooked, but I do plan on fixing that. But regardless, this is the settings that I came up with. Once again, it was ISO at 100, my shutter speed at 1 over 4, and my aperture at 4.5, which is as low as I could go on my camera. So yeah, that is all of my photos. There you go, you guys.